Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Facebook friends in code. To know how to fix or how to solve Facebook friends in code, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook and you will enter. Then in this page you will go to click force stop. After that you will enter to storage. Then in this page you will click clear cache, and here you will go to click clear data. And after all that you can turn off your Wi-Fi so that you can know how to fix Facebook friends in code. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.